If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. Today we are cooking githeri. Let's jump straight into today's video. Today we are cooking githeri. I have a 1/4 kg of groundnuts, raw groundnuts, and a 1/2 kg of corn, mahindi imetolewa ile the outer cover, yeah, the outer cover has been removed. I think in Swahili they call this muthokoi or something. And today you can use beans, but today I'm using what's this name, kamande. Yeah, it's called kamande in Swahili. I don't know the name in English, but it's, you can use any beans of your choice. So because this kind of corn tend to cook faster, and plus the groundnuts, you start by doing your beans kind of blanching. So cover that, cook till it's soft. So let's go to our ingredients. I really love the taste of these spring onions in my githeri. So we'll need garlic. We'll also need tomatoes. I'm going to puree them. You can as well blend, but today I'm using this simple method of just grating, though it's time consuming. So if you blend, the better, because we'll also need coriander leaves for garnishing. And we have a dhania stem over there, our onions, our garlic, and now we have our seasoning, curry powder, and this is onga. Guys, I came across this seasoning powder. Look, these are herbs. It has got herbs and natural spices, and you can literally spot them. And here it is just 5 shillings, and it has got very nice taste. Like, this was just a game changer in my githeri. Yeah, and we also have some salt. Whew, at long last, see, everything is tender, and you can literally spot my beans, my corn. There we go. You can also see the groundnuts. So let's cook finger licking stew. I'll guide you, I'll show you every step of the way. So you first add your cooking oil.
And boom, it has been a very long day, but here we are. So this is just salad. I paired that with guacamole and our githeri. Look at that potato. Oh. So we meet again in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Prayer is a weapon. Bye.